the flyest to ever walk in here. You might be listening and wondering who the fuck this is.
Thank everybody out there for watching, man. I hope everybody out there is doing good. Y'all know what this is, man. This is JFK's Way. Today is Fitted Friday. Once again, it is upon us. So you know I had to, bring a little something out for y'all, man. Y'all know what I had to do. Today I'm gonna show y'all a little light clip. Real quick. I actually recently acquired a new Tigers, which is actually a Tiger that's been on my list for a while. But before we jump straight into that, we're gonna jump straight into something that I actually recently got in the mail. I got some packages from a couple of guys, some dudes that I've been supporting. I was like, crazy good designs I've seen, so I was like, I gotta kind of back, help the real, man, help the real. So we're gonna get straight into this package right here from my guy, Mr. Stay Humble. My guy's actually from up top, man. I'm actually gonna be in the Bronx real soon. Shouts out to my guys and my people out there in the Bronx, South Side, y'all know. But right here, man, he looked out for the boy, man. He looked out for the boy. And long story short, my man, I got a son. So for those of you that know, my son is actually, he's done, done an opening on my channel a few times. But he loves this guy right here. Now this is Supersonic. Now not only is it Supersonic, but my boy went all out. My boy put the gems on the back. As you can see, the Chaos Emeralds, which once the Chaos Emeralds are gathered, he becomes Supersonic. So this right here, he didn't send me one, he sent me two, and he actually did a gray one as well. I will be going to go grab that. I think the gray one was Super Silver. I think Super Silver goes, I think he goes gold or he goes like a bright metallic silver, something like that. But he did these, man, and again, this design is crazy gangster, so I had to support him. If you're not following my man, definitely check him out on Instagram. Mr. Stay Humble, good dude, man. Like I said, I support the real, man. Support the real, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate the love, man. Thank you. So for those of you that don't know, man, not only is the fitted game going wild, but the pin game, man. Y'all see, I'm a victim right now, man. I was actually put onto pins, and I'm not a huge pin guy. First and foremost, I'm from a class in a time where pins wasn't a thing. But again, when you see good guys doing gangster stuff like this, you kind of got to support. You know what I mean? Like I said, he didn't send me one, he sent me two. So I appreciate the love, man. Thank you so much. And we're going to jump straight into this next one right here. Now this, I like the packaging, man. I like the packaging. It's like a pinkish, purplish kind of shade here. So this right here is from Aloha Brims. And he seems to be an anime guy like myself. I'm big into anime. I watch a lot of animes with my son. And for those of you that are not familiar with Demon Slayer, let me put you on. Bing. This right here is from the Japanese anime called Demon Slayer. It's about a dude and his sister. They are the main protagonists. Long story short, my man right here, Tojiro. You see, you got the T on, you got the fitter on, so it's like a peeker hat. He like will peek over the logo whenever you use the pin, whenever you put the pin on. But this was fly, man. This was fly. I do not wear alphabet hats hardly ever. I'm definitely not gonna ever wear one with a T on it. I do have a Minnesota Twins with a TC, like the T cutting through the C, but I do not just have a T hat, man, for Texas Rangers. But for Tojiro, I think the idea was good, the implementation was there. But Aloha Brims, man, check out my guy Aloha Brims. I'm trying to bust this thing open right now. I'm like hyper. And green is one of my favorite shades, man. So you know what I mean? Absolutely. So seeing this, I missed the initial release, and then he had a little small restock. So I was happy to pick that up. Check that out, man. Check that out. But again, having that anime feel to it, I feel like that was very wise concept. Now let me jump straight off into this, man. Let me show you guys the new Tigers that I recently acquired. Now this right here is a violet shade. It's a very clean hat. Y'all see it, the 30th anniversary right there on the side. World Series Championship. That's looking clean. I see that. For whatever reason, this is a peach UV. See that Tiger, clean as ever. That side patch one more time. But once again, the crime of all crimes. Look, I'm about to drop in my damn self. The crime of all crimes, the blend, which I absolutely hate. Crazy thing is, this logo right here, I showed you guys in one of the fitted videos that I've done before. These hats are literally almost identical. The side patch is different. Y'all see that Tiger Stadium side patch, right? Side patch is different. Same crime is committed. Pink UV. Y'all see that pink UV, right? Tiger is slightly different, but the violets are literally almost identical. They are literally almost identical, man. Same crime committed. Y'all see that blend? And if y'all see on the top, y'all see on the sides, almost hardly a difference. So, but this right here, man, this is the tight. This is very, very clean. He's in like a cream outfit, like a very, very pale yellowish face. So again, I did not catch this when it first dropped. I did not know nobody where, as far as, the few people I know now. So, like I said, man, I'm gonna show you guys a little light clip. We're gonna get into this little light clip, right? So I just busted you guys down with this. We can go through the royalties right now. We're gonna go through the purples. Peach UV, right? Purple, now this is an era hat. If you look at the hat that he's actually wearing, there's nothing on it. You look at this one, there's a D on that hat. Look at this one, it's blank, it's nothing on that hat. This is also violet, very, very purple. Now this one is the exact same hat. Look what's on his hat. That D is there, right? Same hat, same hat. You see the error? That's what you want, baby. You want what everybody ain't got. So that was honestly mistakenly picked up. Shit, I couldn't even believe when I noticed it. You see that hat? See what he got on there? That's a dark purple. I'm looking right here at the camera. I'm looking on my side. Yeah, you got a better view for it now. This is a dark purple. You see that side patch? This is actually one of my favorite side patches used for the Tigers. I love when you see two Tigers on that. It's clean. Again, you do not see that all the time. Next one, also purple. Y'all see that? Just different shades of purple. We're going through the whole spectrum, man. We're going through the whole color spectrum of purple right now. Pink UV. My fault. You see, I got the Chadwick Boseman, the T'Challa pen on that one for that purple. But yeah, also a pink UV. Pink UV. Clean. Another one. But it is slightly different. This is actually a navy brim. It actually looks so black. I'm like holding it. I'm like, it looks so black, but I know it's navy. I'm like, it's navy. So you see the blue aura, the blue surrounding the tiger. Love that. Super, super official. Give you that power concept. That D-Town side patch. You see, again, I love when the tiger's on the side. Another one. That purple. Little slight hints of blue, but the aura around this is like a bright pink. Also pink UV. Tiger Stadium side patch. And these. This next one is the exact same as this. You know how I do sometimes. Sometimes I pick up two of the same hats. No errors. You see that? You see the hat? It's a D on his ass. And the grand finale. But this one is also with the yellow tiger right there. How gangster is that? See that yellow tiger right there? Official. Rare. Something you don't see all the time. You know? That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Rarity with an aqua UV. Right? So I pretty much just ran through. That's just all my purples. That's just a little light clip, man. A little light clip, man. And yeah, as you can see, everyone except for two of these. The newest one that I picked up and the last one I just showed y'all have pink UVs. What are the chances of that? I'll let you know that this was definitely a wave when it took off. It was definitely a thing. And like I said, I try to actually keep my colors and my side patches together. So, yeah. There y'all have it, man. There's some royalty right there, some purples. Y'all see the pins. My man, Mr. Stay Humble. My man, Aloha Brims. Thank you, guys. And as always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. And yo, I will catch you guys on the next one. I got some heat coming up, man. I told you I'm going to be showing you guys my designs. I am actually putting out custom versions of some of my favorite logos. I am doing this. I'm designing it. I am doing this myself. I'm going out on a limb. So you guys stay tuned, man. In the next week or so, I will be throwing up a video of that. Possibly my next video. Me and a guy that I recently got really, really cool with. We're going to be sitting down, chopping up ideas. And hopefully me and him will come together and make this JFK's Customs things a official thing. Man, we're going to try to come out here on a limb. But yo, I thank you guys for tuning in. Peace and love. Stay tuned for my ideas, because I promise you I'm about to be smoking some of these dudes that be in these stores, some of these big major companies. And I got ideas far beyond what some of them dudes is doing. But yo, I catch you guys on the next one.
I'm the flyest that ever walk in here. You might be listening wondering